Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the double drip pan in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new double drip pan. The double drip pan is used for protecting the cooktop surface from spills during cooking. The main reason for the drip pan replacement is if the protective enamel is badly damaged or it's simply missing. We're going to start with removing both burner grates and lifting them up, putting them aside, and then we can just grab this double drip pan and lift it off. This is the old double drip pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring a new one in. If you notice, there's burners are different size, so we put this small opening around the smaller burner and the larger opening around the larger burner. And now we can install the burner grates. I'm going to put one, and the second one, I'm going to slide that tab underneath so the one is installed. And this tab goes underneath the one we're installing. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.